response scanner.
Alright, we're shooting. Go for it.
And I get the special summon when I normal summon a wind up. And then I'm going to use this effect to change to level 3. I see. Here's the minus. And then I'll activate. I hate doing this.
Don't hate it. Just let it go, man. Just let it go. Gotta do what you gotta do, right?
Activate. Switch into defense, the special hunter. And then I use hunter to contribute to when you lose a card.
No, it's random.
Super random. I'll pick it. Xyz.
This is why wind-ups are so powerful. Because of this combo.
Yeah, but sorry.
Because it sends and it doesn't discard. That's the other part that makes it powerful.
Back. You lose another card. Last card. Set a card.
Shit is horrible. You can't even set if you haven't set shit back. Someone get it.
Morning.
Ooh.
That's great. Activate. I like this weapon with the nuts here.
That was a good one, Tanner. Oh, you take your 2 off.
Two, go for it.
Oh, I can detach materials with big shit. But the end phase, I have to destroy cards. Yep, effect. Go ahead. So you have 45.
It's a Yu-Gi-Oh tournament.
No, not two.
Huh? Yeah.
Take a 4.
It's a pretty good game. We're making video right now for YouTube.
Grandmaster, special Grandmaster?
Store credit.
Fine.
This is where we bought like half of the good shit already. We bought like both times pulled out a rescue rabbit. But he didn't put the wind up rabbit. Put the wrong rabbit. I hate that. Hey, went to the Comic Con. That's one. No, I'm just saying like it's a costume. My girl's gonna dress the store. I thought I'll buy her a bunny. Put goggles on that shit. Let's go, baby.
Yep.
Dress up like a bunny. Like in Jersey Shore.
No, like, you ever seen Beta House?
Yeah.
Like a cheap.
Royalty cream.
Yeah, that's
Fine, I guess.
I'll be used to it. I'll just have to start us right.
Special?
Fucking forget that.
4.
Oh my god.
Effect? Tribute this. How's that? Then back to
That
hand.
was a misplay.
Special. So Saison's working now. Now you see what he wants. That? Kills him.
Esteban, you cold, man. You're not nice.
We're at 2,000. And I'm at 4,000.
Oh yeah, he plays? Yeah. Oh yeah, it was, we're making video for YouTube right now. Oh, you did? Yeah. 2 of my students are actually in this tournament, so I'm videotaping the game, so I can do more information about that. Listen what it says.
Hey, Nate.
I'm a teacher. Yes, sir.
That's game 1.
It's game 1? All right.